Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Electronics, IoT, Teacher, Instructor, RD and Consulting. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Christmas and Elecrow. Christmas, Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a legendary figure originating in Western Christian culture who is said to bring gifts during the late evening and overnight hours on Christmas Eve. Christmas elves are said to make the gifts in Santa's workshop, while flying reindeer pull his sleigh through the air. The popular conception of Santa Claus originates from folklore traditions surrounding the 4th century Christian bishop Saint Nicholas, the patron saint of children. Saint Nicholas became renowned for his reported generosity and secret gift-giving. Tracking. A servo that tracks Santa Claus' yearly journey.
Now the project here, this Arduino or base plate here, LEDs here, the music here and the LEDs here, and what's here for volume here, the display here, and servo back and forth for Christmas, and see the Santa Claus here. So good. And after, cable for computer here, or battery and cable here, and that's it. Project here, the Arduino and programming here, pins for here, and tools here. The Arduino Plus here and here, shield here, this puts here, screen here, LEDs here, music here, and speaker here, servo here, and back and forth for antenna here. This the project here, library here, the software stellar port here, the player here, servo here, wire, and the screen here. So first the display here, this the music here, this here this back and forth for volume, LEDs here, servo here, Christmas, and volume and servo, so perfect. Display here, this first here, this beginning here, and the look back and version the Santa Claus here. There's another one, the LED green here, the here Christmas and LEDs on, and this here Santa Claus and off the LEDs, so perfect. The servo here, this here the So the here LEDs up and down, and this volume here, this pulse here, and this volume like volume nothing or up. Set up here, green LEDs here, this play here, the beginning here, raspberry here, loops, so the after here, attach for here, this Servo 1, unique display here, this here, 1 second here, and that's it. Christmas and Santa Claus here. Battery and cable here. Arduino Uno or another one here. Here is good. Same here. This the shield here. This is same thing here. Display here. Buds here. Back and forth for the music here. This here. LEDs here. The music here and memory here. This music here. Servo and back and forth. This antenna for Santa Claus and see where. And that's it.
Patreon.
Now, battery and cable here and see. And this good. And that's enough for music here. And this yes or no, yes and no, and is the volume. So simple. Now the music for this and Santa Claus for this. So this the music here for here, and this volume here. So good for this. The Santa Claus this and see here. So perfect. Father Claus here is good. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.